So guys, sunny weather na, start na. Winter pa rin pero guys, malapit na mag spring season. Tingnan nyo naman ang sun. So start today, bumili kami ng lupa. So lalagyan natin ng lupa guys yung ating persimmon. Let's go sa backyard. So ito guys, ang puno natin ng persimmon. Lalagyan natin ng lupa. Nagalawa siya per puno. Guys, one down. Ako muna. So guys, ikalawang bag of soil. Ayan guys, we're doing this para lalo siyang mamunga. Maraming ma-harvest na bunga this coming October. So 2 bags pa para sa kabilang puno. So now, eto na ang ating persimmon guys. Nagbabad na siya. Ayan na, nalabas na ang dahon niya. Tinirim nga pala yan ni Brother Alex ng anak ko. Ayan, binawasan ng mga sanga-sanga. So you can see, yan, tinirim para bilog siya. Yan, tinirim siya. Binawasan ng mga malalaking sanga. Yan, tinirim para bilog. So ito na nga guys, after a few months, April 15 ngayon, ayan na mga bunga, naguslian na. Daming bunga na naman. Jackpot na naman tayo dito sa persimmon natin. Ayan guys, ayan, bulaklak yan. Ayan no. Daming flower buds. So guys, right now, here's the persimmon tree with small budding fruit right there. You can see guys. There's the fruit. There you go. Tons of fruits, guys. So hopefully we will harvest a lot of persimmon this year. There you go. There you go. That's the fruit. Look at it. Tons of fruits, guys. Go even up there, right here. Look at that. Tons of fruits for our persimmon tree. There you go. There's our two fruiting persimmon tree.